Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook lamb backstrap. All right, now we're going to be reverse searing our lamb backstraps today. So whatever barbecue you're using, set it up for some indirect smoking. So we are going to lay some fire lighters down, light them up. Then you want to get about a quarter chimney worth of lump charcoal or briquettes on. All right, so we've got about 10 minutes before those briquettes are going to be ready. So we'll use that time to trim and season our lamb backstraps. These aren't going to need much. There's just a little bit of silver skin we'll trim off. All right, so these are looking awesome. If anyone's wondering where I got these from, I picked these up from our butcher at Austral Meat. This is the Roaring 40s brand lamb. Absolutely amazing stuff. I'll put links for everything we are using in today's video down in the video description. But next, we're going to season our lamb backstraps. I'm going to be using some of our lamb layup rub, but if you've got another favorite rub for lamb, feel free to use that. All right, so our lamb's all trimmed and seasoned. Our briquettes are just about ready. So while we've got a minute, I just wanted to talk to you about channel memberships. I won't dive too deep into it, but basically, if you want to unlock some special perks, or if you're a fan of the channel and simply just want to show more support, joining as a member is a great option to consider. All you need to do is click that join button below this video. If you can't see it from your mobile device, log in from a computer and you should be able to see it. And you'll get all the information you need when you click that join button. If you do have any questions about memberships or anything in this video, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. But for now, let's set the rest of this barbecue up and get these lamb backstraps on. All right, so what we'll do is we'll dump these briquettes at the front of our barbecue. Then we're just going to close our lid, open up our top and bottom vents, let our barbecue preheat for a few minutes, and we can also get some smoking wood ready. Now I'm going to be using some Mile from Natural Smoke, a really unique sweet smoke I highly recommend. But if you've got another favourite smoking wood, feel free to use that. But for now, we'll be back once this barbecue's preheated and we're ready to get these lamb backstraps on. All right, so our barbecue is at temp. It's sitting at around 250 Fahrenheit or 120 Celsius. So we'll get our smoking wood straight on them briquettes. Then we'll get our cooking grate on. Then we'll get our beautiful lamb backstraps on the backside of this cooking grate. And we'll shut our lid and let these smoke away. All right, so we're going to take our lamb until it reaches an internal temperature of around 130 Fahrenheit or 54 degrees Celsius. I reckon it's going to take around 45 minutes to get there. So once we've got about 20 minutes left in that cook, I'm going to get some potatoes on. I've just peeled and sliced some potatoes around 1/2 inch thick. So once we're a bit further into this cook, I'll show you what we're going to do with them. All right, so we've got about 10 minutes left before those lamb backstraps hit that target internal we spoke about earlier. Then they can come out for a rest. So I've just started another chimney of briquettes to set up for a sear. Our potatoes are ready, they've softened up nicely. So what I'm going to do now is just get them out and they're going to sit on top of a cake rack. And now we just want to let them cool down and dry off for 5 minutes. All right, now our potatoes had 5 minutes to cool and dry off. We're just going to give them a light coat in olive oil on both sides. Then we're going to season both sides in our garlic goals rub. All right, now they're ready to go on very soon. All right, and now our lamb has hit temperature. We can get them out for a rest. And now what we can do is remove our cooking grate for a moment. We'll get our kettle cone in, and then we'll fill it up with our fresh briquettes. Then we'll get our cooking grate back on, shut our lid, and we'll give our barbecue a few minutes to get nice and hot. All right, it's been a few minutes. Our lamb still needs to rest for a little bit longer. So what we'll do now is get these potatoes on. We want to give them about 8 to 10 minutes until they're crisp and golden brown. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. The potatoes are looking good. So what we're going to do now is just sear this lamb backstrap off for about 45 seconds to a minute per side. All right, now our lamb's done. We can get this out and slice it up. We'll give those potatoes another minute while we slice our lamb. Now, because our lamb had a rest between the smoke and the sear, we don't need to give it a second rest. So we're just going to slice this nice and thin. And that is looking absolutely perfect. All right, now I'll show you how we're going to serve it. So on top of each potato, I'm going to put down some honey Dijon mustard. Then we'll put a few slices of this beautiful backstrap. Then we'll top them off with some chives. How good does that look? That's so good. Such a good combination of flavour and texture. Definitely give that one a go. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. But for now, that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.